Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the overlay function on the FaceApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the gallery button down below and then select a picture that you want to edit. Slide to the right side until you find the last option, overlay. Here you should select one of these options, and you can adjust it by the help of the slide in the middle of the screen. If you want to erase any of these any parts from your photo, then just simply brush over that relevant area where you don't want to see any of these overlay filters on your photo. And feel free to try out as many as you want to. As you can see down below, there are a bunch of categories, and you can find the relevant one by adjusting it to your picture. So click on the apply button down below, and then you will be able to save your changes in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.